In this short video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate editing an Adobe PhotoShop image with layers in Corel PaintShop Pro. Hi, I'm Mike Presto with Presto IT Solutions. This video is part of our Presto Pro PaintShop Pro channel. If you like videos like this, please click the subscribe button below and the notification icon. Let's jump in. Let me give you a quick little demo. Here at Presto IT, we use Envato Element for one of our stock image sites. So today I'm going to look for YouTube channel graphics. So let me go ahead and go down to graphic templates, YouTube channel, click search, and you'll see here that they offer Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, XD, and Sketch, but they don't offer PaintShop Pro. Almost all of these are PaintShop Pro. As you can see, Adobe Photoshop has 555 graphics available that are tagged YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and just download any one of these. I'll go ahead and associate it with a particular resource, and then I'll go ahead and download the zip file. Once downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and go to that particular folder, show in folder, and I'm going to go ahead and extract all of the files. Now for me, because I have Photoshop installed, I can right click and select open and it'll open in Photoshop, but what I want to show you, of course, in this video is open with Corel PaintShop Pro 2019 64-bit. Okay, here we are in PaintShop Pro. As you can see, the Photoshop image opened up perfectly, and you can see here that all the layers are preserved, and if I go File, Save As, I can save it as a PaintShop Pro image, a PSP image, and you want to do that in order to retain the layers and the usability of this particular graphic. One of the things I like to do is I also like to do a File Save As when I do this little trick, and I save it also as a JPEG just so that I can quickly and easily preview it in my stock folder. Now you'll see that it said that, hey, this is going to compress down to fewer colors and layers. Now when I go back to my folder and I refresh, you can see here for the YouTube channel banner, I have both a PSP and a Photoshop file available, and then I can click on the JPEG in order to preview it quickly and easily so I can see which one I want to work with. Okay, that was just a quick little demo. I hope you liked this video. Please help me out and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.